Cougars Highlights brought to you by Commonwealth Financial.
Hi, I'm Dan McLaren, President of Commonwealth Financial, and I'd like to thank you for taking an interest in our organization. At Commonwealth, we have a principle that's key to everything we do, and that's teamwork. Whether it's planning your financial future or negotiating a great rate on your mortgage, let us put our team to work for you.
Friday night at CN Centre, the Prince George Cougars welcoming the Vancouver Giants. The team with the best record in the Western Hockey League should be the number one rated team in the CHL. They're not, but give it some time. In the first period, it's going to be Evander Kane. He played for the World Junior team for Canada at Christmas, replaced Dana Tyrell. He tips home a shot from Jonathan Blum, makes it 1-0. Mike Berube gets an assist on that. He's a former Cougar. In the second period, or still in the first period, that's James Wright coming down the side, and Kevin Armstrong makes a save, and that leads to some fisticuffs, some rough stuff in front of the net, pushing and shoving. Cameron Cepek starting it. It's Adam Basford, number 20, for the Vancouver Giants. He's a former draft pick of the Cougars, and he's involved in it. A couple of minor penalties handed out on that. Now, some real fisticuffs start, and you know what? Proponents or people who are against fighting in hockey, this is a perfect example of why you could be against fighting in hockey, why two defensemen would meet from 150 feet away at center ice like this. Mike Berube and that's Cody Hobbs from the Prince George Cougars. Probably didn't bump once into each other all night long just because of the positions they play, but here they are at center ice. Hobbs wins this short but furious fight. The two will be separated and sent to the penalty box. That really is all that happened early on in the second period. It was a 1-0 game for the Vancouver Giants. They were holding on to that lead, and they took it to finally the second goal of the hockey game. Craig Cunningham, he walks in and makes it 2-0 Vancouver, beating Armstrong to the glove hand side. The Giants have a 2-0 lead. Then first for the Cougars this year, Art Bydlewski winds up from the point and lets a blast go. That's his first goal of the year. It comes on the power play, which is a place he doesn't generally find himself in with the Cougars. Generally one of the guys they use in penalty killing situations, not much in the power play. But as you slow it down and show it to you, Justin Malin from the corner, nice pass through the defenders that were killing the penalty for the Giants, and Bydlewski loads up, right-hand shot, fires it, gets through some traffic in front. It's 2-1. But the Giants, they do answer before the end of the second period. Nick Ross, former Kamloops Blazer, former Regina Pat, in the last minute of the second period makes it 3-1 for Vancouver. In the third period, the Cougars do fight back. Brett Connolly leading the rush down the wing, leaves it for Tyler Halliday, who goes high up top, glove hand, shoulder, short side on Tyson Sexsmith, but that's as close as it came. The Prince George Cougars lose 3-2 on Friday night. For the PrinceGeorgeCitizen.com, I'm Jim Swanson.